12 best plants for a shady porch. Is your porch more shady than sunny? Good news, plenty of plants absolutely love low light conditions. Whether you're dreaming of a lush jungle vibe or pops of color in the corners, these shade-tolerant plants are ready to shine, even without much sun. Let's dig into 12 of the best plants that thrive on a shady porch. Low maintenance, high charm. Number 1. Ferns. Ferns are shade superstars. Boston ferns and maidenhair ferns are especially popular for their feathery, flowing fronds. Hang them in baskets or pot them up on the porch floor. They'll bring a tropical feel and love the humidity and dappled light. Number 2. Hostas. Hostas are known for their stunning foliage in all shades of green, blue, and cream. These leafy beauties love the shade and make an elegant statement in pots. Keep them watered, and they'll reward you with lush growth all season. Number 3. Begonias. If you want blooms in the shade, begonias are a go-to choice. Wax and tuberous begonias are both great for containers. They come in just about every color you can think of and thrive without direct sunlight. Number 4. Caladiums. Talk about eye-catching. Caladiums are grown for their colorful, heart-shaped leaves. Pink, red, white, and green varieties will make your shady porch pop. These are warm weather lovers, so wait until temps are cozy before planting. Number 5. Heucheras, coral bells. Heucheras are fantastic for foliage color. Think lime green, burgundy, peach, and more. They're shade tolerant and add texture and contrast to any container garden. Number 6. Impatiens. These sweet flowers are a shady porch classic. They bloom non-stop in the shade and come in vibrant reds, pinks, whites, and purples. Impatiens look great in hanging baskets or grouped in planters. Number 7. Coleus. Coleus is all about the foliage. The bold, colorful leaves come in patterns and shades that will wow you. This plant is easy to grow and happy in the shade, as long as you keep it watered. Number 8. Astilbe. With their fluffy, feathery blooms and fern-like leaves, astilbes are elegant and shade-friendly. They love moist soil and do especially well in part shade areas that stay cool. Number 9. Lungwort Pulmonaria. Yes, it has a quirky name, but this plant is a hidden gem. Lungwort features spotted or speckled leaves and small, colorful blooms in spring. It does great in containers and adds charm to any shady spot. Number 10. English Ivy. English Ivy loves to trail. It's perfect for hanging baskets or to spill over the sides of tall pots. Give it a shady nook and let it work its classic romantic magic. Number 11. Toad Lily. Toad lilies are like a little surprise at the end of summer. These shade-loving plants bloom late in the season with orchid-like flowers that add a touch of wild beauty. They're great in pots or tucked into corners. Number 12. Peace Lily. The peace lily is more than just an indoor plant. On a shady, protected porch, it thrives. Its glossy leaves and graceful white blooms bring a peaceful tropical vibe, and it even purifies the air around you. Even without full sun, your porch can become a thriving green retreat with these shade-loving beauties. If you enjoyed this list, be sure to like the video and drop a comment. What's your favorite plant for shady spots, or do you have a hidden gem we should know about? And if you're looking to take your garden to the next level, check out this video, Must-Have Companion Plants for Lush Herbs, to learn how to grow healthier, more productive plants naturally. And remember, life is better when you garden.